I'm going to show you the reality of my accounts. They have losses, and that's the reality. All right, so net is still profitable, but you know, there are a lot more losses than winners. All right, the reason why I want to do this video is because I realized that in YouTube there's a lot of videos that focuses on showing positive wins, especially where the wins are quite substantial. So recently I came upon another person that was showing his live account. He spent like half of the video convincing others that this is a live account, and then showing that, you know, he has like 60,000 or 100,000 of profit from just one trade. I think that this is really, really attractive, because then, you know, you get a lot of money, but it's not the reality. Okay, why do I say that? Yes, there are people who make a lot of money, but in reality, I came across students, many of them, they are not doing well. Okay, so in this video, I just want to say that, you know, this is the reality of my account. So this is one of my accounts that has no stop loss, but it's a hedging account, all right? Meaning that no stop loss, but whenever I have a losing position, I will hedge into the losing position. All right, so to make back the money, but you realize that it has more losses, as in more losing trades than winning trades, even though, you know, overall right now it's running positive. All right, there are a few things in this account here. Number one is that I let the winners move. Okay, meaning that if I have a winning trade, I will let it ride. Now, second, if it's a losing trade, I will quickly hedge it in. All right, so that I will have accumulation of profit at my close trade. So for example, this is my close trade here, and right now it's doing like 32,000. So that's a 30% return over a deposit of 100,000. All right, and this is about a duration of, I think, 7 months. And then nets, you know, if I were to close everything, all right, don't forget, I have like 6 trades and 5 of them are losses, and then 1 of them is a winner and a huge win. And if I were to close all of them, it's about 3,800 right now in terms of profit. So a few things to take note. Number one, if you are trading, and especially you're new, all right, having losses is the reality. All right, it is common to see losses in my trading account, and I think that for professional traders, real traders who doesn't have losses, that's not real. Okay, second is that if you need to focus on the basket, overall basket profitability, not on the individual profitability. That means that don't be too concerned if you have just one losing trade, or don't be too concerned about your losing trades. Aim to see your trades as a basket, and then aim to have a basket profitability. Okay. Third, very important, choose a method that is suitable for you. Don't be lured or attracted by huge gains, because those huge gains are most likely because then the trade size is substantial. So for example, one of the trades that we did was a short in dollar yen. And that short of dollar yen, right, resulted in 100 plus pips profit in less than a few hours. All right, so if you put in, let's say, a 10 contract, all right, on let's say a 100 pips profit, all right, 10 contracts, that would give you 10,000. But if you put in only one contract, one standard contract, that will give you 1,000. However, if you put in a micro lot, that would only give you $10, all right, in a 100 pips profit. So a lot of time you don't see that you make a lot of money, because then perhaps you only make $10 out of 100 pips, and you're attracted by people having 100,000. Don't forget, maybe that 100,000 because the other person put in a 100 contract. Okay, so focus on the profitability of your portfolio and do a lot sizing that you are very comfortable. But one thing I always tell my students, don't do a lot sizing that's too small. All right, make sure you have a comfortable account size. All right, meaning that the amount of money that you put into account is a comfortable amount. All right, not too much, not too little, otherwise it's a waste of time. And the lot size, it's a sizing that is comfortable to you. Not too huge that you can't stand the risk, not too little that you don't feel anything. All right, you don't even feel the joy of winning. Okay, so how much is it good for me? Like for example, this is one of my accounts, and most of the time I usually put in one standard lot. Okay, so let you see here, one standard lot for the trades, whether it's a starter trade or whether when I keep on adding. All right, so if I keep on adding, all right, then I'll put in a half size what I've traded originally. Okay, so this is usually what I'm doing on a 100,000 at any one point of time. Then I don't have more than 5 to 6 trades. All right, I hope that this is useful for you. I just wanted to bring to you reality of trading. All right, and I think that this is, me as a trader, as a trader, something that I'm responsible to let you know. Losses, they are common. They are part and parcel of this trading game. If you don't have losses, then you are not real. These are trades which are done by myself or my students using the Alien War strategy. Join our community and take advantage of our 6 times a week training lessons, automated trade signals, and live trading sessions with our experienced alien traders. And for a limited time, we are offering a 100% full cashback offer on our course fee. That's right, you can learn our strategy risk-free. Over 1,000 students have already taken advantage of this offer and seen success. Visit this website now to learn more and join our community.